Just like playing with my friends and like tag. Because most people, like 80% of the world, like hate school, but I love school.
I love it that it's just when you have a friend or other kids that you've never met before, but then you're playing a game with them. It makes you smile, which makes me really happy when I see other kids smiling.
What I love about playing is what playing does, because it's just so fun. And I like running around and stuff because it makes me stronger. I sort of learn how to do stuff.
I just like being with my friends, having fun. Like if you're playing like a game like tag or something, they'll ask if they can play and then you'll just play with them and like get to know them and stuff.
Fi'n hoffi ti ddim angen cael ei ddweud beth I wneud, ti just gallu mynd yn neud be bynnag ti moyn a chwarae cael hwyl.
I really like playing because it's actually helping me in life with stuff. It helps me know how I'm feeling.